the last thing we talked about was growing in cold climates. So I don't know if you know who Paul Wheaton is.
I've heard the name for sure. I'll write that
Permies.com is
down.
his site.
Yeah, no, I know Permies. That's how I know
Yeah.
the name, of course.
So
Yeah, I'm on Permies all the time as a lurker. I
sure.
go there for research a lot. I'm not active, but yeah, that's a great
I'm
resource for
close to
sure.
him. Like
Okay.
location wise, I'm like 2 hours away from him. And I've been to his place once and took a tour. And they do like the Wufati thing growing underground.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Cool.
um yeah, I always thought it'd be cool to do something like that here on my property, but
What zone are
um
you in?
four something, 4B
Oh,
maybe.
okay. Okay. So
No,
you're
no,
cold
I'm
too.
five. I'm like 5A. I'm
Okay.
like, yeah.
Yeah, I'm
Yep. Sorry. I
4A.
was thinking, yeah. So yeah, it's pretty cold. We got 3 inches of snow yesterday. So
Hmm.
um
But it's crazy because up here, I was down in San Diego on a farm there for a few years, and I get way more sun up here, man.
yeah, the high
People who don't
altitude.
live there don't understand that San Diego is like gray for at least half the year. Just
Yeah.
like solid gray all day, all night, same thing. It's
I went there
brutal.
yesterday, last year, and it was like August and the ocean was freezing. Like
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
this is BS.
So it's
So
cool. The light up here is so intense. It's really amazing. Once I get some greenhouses up and get some more infrastructure together, I want a hoop house that covers four probably of my 50-foot beds, for use maybe by this fall, for sure by next spring. And then the big greenhouse. We want to do a 100-foot tropical greenhouse like
nice.
uh, Osentowski does in that book. But I'm going to put a little aquaculture project in it and a little swimming pool in it as well.
That'd be sweet.
Uh, my partner for physical therapy, like, there's nothing better than being underwater.
Sure.
So that's a really like key part of the dream is having somewhere that we can float and hang out in some water surrounded by beautiful plants year round.
Yeah.
And it's like if
So
I'm going to be heating a pool, damn well going to wrap a greenhouse around it.
absolutely. Yeah. Keep it a little bit warmer
Hmm.
throughout the day.